Hey Madness fam, welcome back to another cooking video. I got some fish here, snappers. I'm gonna fry the fish, so I'm gonna fry the whole fish. So what you do is you take the scales off, so you don't want to eat the scales, and then you make a slit and clean out the guts from the inside, leave all the good meats, and you can stuff it. I'm gonna stuff mine. I'll show you with what. This one I slit as well here. So I'm going to be seasoning them and then stuffing them. I'll wrap them up for 2 hours and then I will fry them. I'll show you them when they are seasoned and stuffed. Don't forget to like the video if you haven't already, and don't forget to become a part of the Madness fam. Love you all. Okay, so I seasoned and stuffed the fish. And now I'm going to wrap them up to store them for 2 hours. This is what I stuffed it with. You can stuff yours with whatever you want. And I will show you when I fry them. While I wait on the fish, I'll be making my dog some food. Here's his slow roast beef, peas and carrots, pumpkin puree, and I also got him a pot of rice. I put the roast beef in the crock pot on low for 20 minutes. I'll show you when it's done. All done. And now I'm going to break it apart and add some stuff in it. Now I will be adding in the rice, peas, and carrots. After I moved everything around, I will be adding in the pumpkin puree mix. I'll show you that. Now that I added everything in it that I wanted, I will be covering up the dog food and putting it on low for 5 to 10 minutes to let the pumpkin puree cook with the rice and everything else. I had them seasoned for 2 hours. I've heated up my oil. It's nice and hot. So now I'm going to place my fish there to fry. Oh wait, I gotta coat it first. 1 second. Okay, so now I coated it. It's seasoned, it's stuffed, it's coated on both sides. Hold on, let me show you. Coated on both sides, and now I'm going to drop it in the oil. I'm gonna place it in the oil. Sorry, I'm not gonna drop her. I'm going to place it in. Almost done. Just 4 more minutes and I'm done making the fish, and I'll show you when I take it out the oil. Remember to make good choices, be good people, and no one loves you like you love you and like God loves you. Thumbs up. Bye.